Hey y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. So I just took out my mini braids. This is what my hair looks like. I had a really good texture up at the top, but at the bottom it did not want to take, but we're gonna go ahead and wash this. And y'all know that I picked up Olaplex from the Sephora VIB spring sale. I'm like the last one on planet Earth to try Olaplex. I got the infamous Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. I for the longest didn't believe in the hype of Olaplex, but y'all kept talking about it, so I was like, let me go ahead and pick it up. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be using it kind of like a pre-poo before I go in and wash my hair, deep condition, style it, and all that stuff. But first, before we get into this video and my thoughts on Olaplex, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, so if you're subscribed, you done hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and hop into this review. Y'all, if you hear something like humming, it's the AC. The AC is on right now and it's blasting real loud down here in the basement. But anyways, I sectioned off this first side. I got the 3.3 fluid ounces. This thing is super itty bitty and it costs like $28, $30 something dollars, something ridiculous for this amount of product. As far as the instructions, I know a lot of y'all are probably familiar, but I'm gonna go ahead and read them anyways. It says, use before shampooing. It is not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. Use 1 time per week for damaged hair, 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel, dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair. For best results, shampoo with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5. We're not doing that. I'm just going to list the ingredients down below because a lot of these things I can't pronounce. But there is some glycerin in here. There's some aloe vera leaf juice down at the bottom. And then a whole bunch of scientific names that I don't know. So I'm excited to see my curls after my trim. Like, I love to see what my hair looks like after a fresh trim. So we're gonna take my water bottle because it says to apply it on damp hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and dampen my hair. I'm curious to see if this is really going to like make my curls pop and really like define them. I know a lot of people compare this to the Curlsmith Bond Rehab Salve, and that thing be having my curls popping. Oh, of course there's the seal on it. Let's see if I can get it off. I need like some tweezers, but I don't have any down here. All right, I just poked a big hole in it because, ooh, my hair already reverted that quick. I wasn't even paying attention. I can't, okay, there we go. It's very similar to the Rehab Salve, but I feel like this is just a little bit thicker. I don't feel like it's got a lot of slip. It doesn't claim to have slip. It really doesn't claim anything except for it is a bond reconstructor and it'll help to strengthen your hair, but it doesn't have any other claims. Y'all, I'm really afraid because I want to add more to my hair. I'm really afraid that I'm going to use up this whole entire bottle in one sitting. I can definitely see myself doing that. Go in with my comb, make sure we're nice and detangled. Okay. Feels like nothing is on my hair, but we're going to continue to apply this. Let y'all listen to a little bit of music, vibe out, jam out, and then I'll be back once my entire head is completed.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't See, sometimes I fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way.
Alright y'all, so I have applied Olaplex throughout my hair and it's got my curls popping. It was fairly easy to apply, but then again I did apply it on blown out hair rather than on like my curly hair. Just trying to take everything out so y'all can see. I just love how my hair looks after a fresh trim. It just looks so good. As I suspected, she is empty. I used this entire 3.3 fluid ounces on my hair. So basically, I just paid $28 for one use, or however much. I keep saying $28. I'm not exactly sure, but I know it's either in the 20s or the 30s. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, cleanse my hair. I think I might shampoo today. Y'all know I don't shampoo a lot. I shampoo at least once a month. But I think I am gonna shampoo this out and then I'll come back and give you all my final thoughts on Olaplex and all of that good stuff. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. I am freshly washed, y'all, and firstly, look at these curls. Heat damage, wear, nowhere, okay? My curls are popping. They're nice and defined. Like, curls look good. As I mentioned before, I was in a dilemma whether I should shampoo or not. It's been about 2 weeks since I shampooed my hair. So I was like, you know what? I probably should go in with shampoo. But I was a little nervous because although this did feel good, I wasn't sure if it was moisturizing enough to combat the African black soap from Melanin Hair Care. Y'all know that I'm trying to use that bad boy up. And it actually has become like a cleanser that I reach for a lot because I actually do like it when I pair it with the super moisturizing pre-poo. Now, like I said, I wasn't sure if this was going to be moisturizing enough, but I went ahead and shampooed, and y'all, my hair felt like butter. Felt like butter. My hair is not stripped. I still got some moisture. Y'all, this is really good. Obviously, this is my first use, my only use, because I've already used this up. So I do think that I need to use this a couple more times to really form a good opinion. But so far, I do like it. I just don't know if it's worth the price. It does remind me very much so of the Curlsmith Bond Solve. I know some people are saying like the two are completely different, like Olaplex is way better, but so far it's feeling very similar, okay? Curlsmith, you get 8 ounce for about the same price as this 3.3 ounce. So like I said, I think I would have to pick up, do I want to? I think I'd have to pick up the bigger size of this, use this a couple more times to let y'all know if I actually think it is worth the money, or if it's better to just get the Curlsmith one. I'll have to use this some more, but I do like it. My only gripe is the price. That's it. But my hair feels good. Feels really, really good. I think next week I'm going to be doing a protein treatment. I'm going to try out the Green Beauty protein treatment. So definitely stay tuned for that. But this was just kind of like trying to revive my curls and get my curls back popping and everything. And then I'll follow up with a protein treatment. Let me know if you've tried Olaplex before. Have you tried this number 3? There, you know, for the longest I had only heard about this Hair Perfector. But, you know, there's a whole line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably, I think it at least goes up to 9. Let me know if y'all have tried some other Olaplex product, what you would recommend. I may try them during like a Sephora sale or something for you all, because they're real expensive. But let me know what are your favorites down below. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think that there's a difference between this and the Curlsmith? But that is it for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.